STEM classrooms are active and collaborative. Hands-on projects bring students together to solve real-world problems. STEM students are curious. They teach one another to analyze, communicate, and think scientifically, mathematically, and creatively. STEM schools are dynamic. Science, technology, engineering, and math are woven into everything a child learns, providing a common language that spans the globe. Motivated students, dedicated teachers, and incredible programs push learning beyond the classroom. Carrollton-Farmers Branch ISD is leading the way in STEM education and laying a foundation for every student to succeed. Learn more about STEM and CFB's other innovative programs at www.cfbstem.com.